What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is a continuation of my appreciation video and shout out to everyone who greeted me a happy birthday. So, hi guys! Ito ang ating part 2. Alam ko po na meron iba sa inyo ang hinihintay na ma-shoutout or marinig ang inyong mga pangalan. So, itutuloy ko na lang ang aking pag-shoutout na nakat ko nung previous video. Ayan, pagpasensyahan nyo na. So, tuloy natin guys. So, again, thank you po sa lahat ng bumate at nagbigay ng mga birthday wishes. Sobrang na-appreciate ko po kayo. And to continue, thank you so much. Aloha Islao, thank you so much. Ems De Quiña, thank you. Ana May Aquisa, thank you. Chel Ann, thank you po. Ayan, Neri De Vera, thank you so much. Noel Galyogo, thank you. And shout out Daisy May Davalan, thank you so much. Angie Guznavs, thank you so much po. Ayan, Christia Grace, thank you so much po, Thea. Ayan, thank you so much. Alcala Glorioso, papa po ng better half ko. Thank you pa. And mag-ingat po kayo dyan sa Saudi Arabia. Dai Ems, Emmeline, thank you so much. Chris Iskaya, ayan, Majo Gusela, thank you so much, Dai. Ay, Hanite, Teresa Pitolan, thank you so much. Makis Ronquillo, thank you so much. Ayan, Jessa Lucido, thank you so much. Thank you. Rochelle Miguel Rudas, ayan, thank you so much, Shell. Herbert Antipuesto, ayan, Best, Meredith, thank you so much. John Rojas, Wonders World, thank you so much. Vimi Narag, thank you so much, all the way from Cagayan Valley, thank you so much. Nylene Beretti, thank you so much, Cici. Ayan, Daisy Lopez, thank you. Sas Mendoza, Mars, mag-ingat ka dyan. Jelly, thank you so much, baby Jelly. Thank you and congratulations to your baby number 2. Ayan, Monica Calvadores, thank you so much, Monica. Kumusta ka na dyan? Clang, Clarice Bigonia, thank you so much. Mary Chris Mutya, thank you so much. Mary Chris Mutya Vlog. Karamihan din sa mga nandito guys ay mga YouTubers. So, check them out and support them as well. Ray Buena Rifel, thank you so much. Ayan. Ate Chera Bobier, thank you so much. Kung Suni Vlogs, thank you so much. Ate Leia, Papas and Leia, thank you. Pinky Ahito, thank you so much po. Ayan. Matt Mandigma, thank you. Kambal ko rin to. Actually, 4 na kami ngayon. Birthday namin ng sabay-sabay. I mean, pinanganak kami ng sabay-sabay, April 12, 1994. Jason De La Cruz, Claire Onyo, and Matt Mandigba. And then ako. So, thank you so much mga, ko sila sa previous work ko. So, just a small world. Mga kapatid ko sila sa kabilang, sa kabilang panig ng mundo. Thank you so much. Happy birthday, Matt Mandigma. I miss you. Rona, thank you. Yan, Ate Vanch de Guzman. Thank you so much. Ate Vanch. Lorian Yang, thank you. Miki, thank you so much po. Keith, Zaires, Kaligkid, thank you so much. Oy, April, thank you so much. Avril Velasco, thank you so much. Annie Firulino, Liza Canlubo, Litz Beloy, Ma'am Rosemary Cañete, ang favorite teacher ko po sa math nung high school, si Ma'am Cañete, super the best. Mamahalin mo ang math pag siya ang nagturo sa iyo. Thank you so much, Ma'am Cañete. Ay, Boss Bell! Yan. Si OM Bell ko po, sa AFNI. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Boss Bell, nanay ng baby ko. Ayan. Mary May Tiga Carino, thank you so much, Daimay. Florinda Villaflor, ayan. Ida, kumusta ka na? Ida, ayan. Aileen Ramulete, thank you so much, Cici. Thank you. Chris Mangyao, thank you so much, Dai. Sherin Logronyo, Ate Sherin, thank you. Elvin Aranas, thank you so much po. Ate Rachel Celestino, Forever Young, thank you so much, Ate Rach. Ayan, Pittsburgh Nahito, thank you so much, Victor. Ayan, Rio Gonzalez, thank you so much. Val, kumusta ka na dyan? Ayan, Mika Gulmatico, thank you so much, Mika. Miss you. Ayan, kumusta na kayo dyan? Marlon Bironio, thank you so much. Mars, Lian Wallace, thank you so much. And mag-ingat kayo dyan with your hubby and family sa Australia. Thank you so much. Ayan, Charmaine Radam, thank you so much, Cha. Ayla, GF, thank you, GF. Kumusta ka na, GF? Ayan, thank you so much. Lourdes Paynor, Bong Alcala, Tito, thank you so much, Tito. Villegas Irene, thank you so much, Dai Irene. Ayan, Helen Bulon, thank you so much, Dai. Larissa, hi! Kumusta ka na dyan? Happy birthday. Ang haba ng message ni Mami D. Mami D, ang YouTube channel po ng Mami D ko ay Cook with Junella. Ang super bait na Mami D ko at wala kang masasabi, sobrang mapagmahal. Mami D ko sa YT. Thank you so much, Mami D, and Saranghiyo. Ayan, thank you so much. Loves I, kumusta ka na dyan? Mag-ingat ka dyan, Loves I. Thank you so much. Dukia Tan, thank you so much po, sis. Thank you. Ayan, kumusta ka na? Cedric Lemosa, happy birthday. Thank you. Charney Igso, thank you, Igso. Ayan, Natawat Bufasiri. Ayan, thank you so much. May Pega, thank you, Igso. Marifi Asis, ayan, Jeneline Maliare, Margie Cabrera, Rox, thank you so much, Rox. Roxy Dal yan guys sa Roxanne. Lalabs Glory G Tips, ayan, Lalabs Gang, thank you so much. Buddy, ayan, thank you so much, Buddy. Iyay, thank you. Shine Gragasin, thank you. Elmi Adlawan, thank you. Juliet Albaran, thank you so much po. Popoy Narciso, thank you. And Mars Lopez, yan, Mars, thank you so much. And thank you, Jason G2, ayan, thank you so much. And congratulations sa baby number 2. Anna Rose Novello, thank you so much. Mara, Mara, thank you, Dai. Ayan, Mara Cantor, thank you so much. Lalabs Prince Casey. Yan, Chari, thank you so much, Chari Pitulan, ng aking tita. Sis Lance, thank you so much, mega shout out. Ayan, Lorena Laborte, Rose June Kumabig. Ayan, Lalabs, Ashing Bernabe, thank you so much. Ruchilin Bailoses, or thank you so much and shout out. Rain Araw, thank you so much. Cheng Moreno, Dai Cheng, thank you so much. Eve, oy wow, Ate Eve, naalala mo pa ako, thank you so much. Carol, thank you. Libby Narciso, my brother sa Paranaque, thank you. Ang isa sa aking best ever friend sa high school, Brazel, ayan, Brazel na siya ngayon. Thank you so much, darling. I miss you too. Ayan, Mitch Torres, ayan, Alden Kapapas, Sis Hazel, ayan, yung Korean, yung paano ba to? Hindi ko maalala yung pangalan. Thank you. Ayan. Ivy Bacalando, thank you so much. Jeric, DIY ni Echo, thank you so much. Angie Malapad, thank you so much. Ma'am Ange, ayan. Miheyo Metan, thank you so much. Judilyn, thank you so much, Judilyn. Ang dami. Yan, Maywan Ahito, thank you so much, Dai. Mars, Mikey, I miss you, Mikey. Kumusta ka na? Thank you so much. Angelita Ovigar, Dailet, ayan. Ayan. Ana Lipiga, thank you so much. Myrens Kataylo. Aying Vin, thank you so much. Ayan. Oy, hi, Idol Boyet. Ayan, Antonio Boy Salaveria. Sis Rowena, thank you so much. And Lalabs Idolor, Oy Duterte, thank you so much. Subscribe po kayo, Oy Glens Duterte, guys. Ayan, Rizal May Delobio, Che Torres, thank you so much. Che Torres, ayan, Vivian Carvalho, thank you. Ayan, Mami Ideta Mulato, thank you so much. Ayan, Mary Chris Piteluna, thank you so much. Ayan, Vanessa So, thank you. Shout out. Ayan, Yani Lansangan, thank you so much. Julius Wenalin, thank you so much, Ate Wena. Yan. Kuya Boy 2. Ayan, Kuya mo Boy 2, thank you so much. Mary Montano, Mary Jane Lee, Born to be Wild Roy, Kuya mo Roy. Thank you so much. Ma'am Lorraine Maulon, thank you so much po. Joey Torres, thank you. Ellen Megalan, thank you. Crizel Torado, thank you. Mishka Wayne Pamangkin ko, thank you. Azul, thank you so much. Chichin Salapa, thank you. Ate Claudela Rosa, ayan, thank you so much. Ate Claudine, Ate Dingding, thank you so much. Darela Lacaste, thank you. And happy birthday din sa hubby mo. Ka-birthday po kami. Ayan. Ate Angel, Jamailin, thank you so much. April Del Mundo, kumusta na? Thank you so much. Jane Valdez, Cici, thank you so much. And shout out to Amelda Igay. Thank you. Ann Obhayon, Miriam Ganyulon, Roslyn Piga. Ayan. John Steve Roger, Jermaine Rueda, kumusta Jermaine? Ay, naalala pa ako ni Jermaine, thank you so much. Wendy Manuel, ang aking pretty friend. Wendy Manuel, thank you so much. I miss you, girl. Yan, Richel. Yan, syempre si Richel, di mawawala yan. Yan, Jermeline Diacosa. Bing, Rina, thank you so much. Rod Castro, kumusta ka na dyan? Mary June De Los Santos, Marmar Labs, Lea Lupera, thank you, te. Me, Javelin Mercado, Mami Cora, thank you so much. Yan, happy birthday, Cheryl Villarin. Ayan, Jeneline Binlot, Denichi Ronela Gamboa. Cecil Balyovar, Renren Pega, Sir Jan, Lynn Romero, Christopher, Tupe, thank you. Wawi Katubig, yan ang aking pinsan. Dai Ivan, I miss you. Thank you so much. Yan lang naman guys. So, nabanggit ko po ba kayong lahat? Thank you so much po sa lahat ng nag-take time para i-greet at but i-wish po ako ng happy birthday. And also, super duper shout out sa founder ng over 50,000 members Facebook page, ang Vloggers Philippines, Sir Danilo. Thank you so much. Super shout out and thank you po sa pagbate at pag-share ng aking identity sa iyong Facebook page. Super humble niyo po. Thank you so much, Sir Danilo. And thank you at shout out din po sa lahat ng bumate. Thank you so much from Vloggers Philippines community. Thank you so much. Oye Duterte, Darela Lacaste, thank you so much. Maven Sports Accessories, thank you so much po. Debbie David Abilila, thank you. Joshua Istomo, thank you so much. And mega shoutout sa inyong lahat. Princess Sofia Trans, thank you po. Casper Lopez, John Philip Munar, thank you. Patrick Rosario, Peter John Mandia, thank you so much po. Mark and Crystal Limbo. Ayan, thank you so much po sa inyong lahat na bumati from Vloggers Philippines Facebook page community. At sa mga gusto pong mag-join, join po kayo dun guys kung gusto nyo po. Organic community po yon para sa mga vloggers, yung mga lahat ng nandun ay merong mga YouTube channel at sila po yung magiging ka-family nyo organically. Okay? So, kung meron kayo pong parehas na niche, pwede po kayong mag-share ng ideas or mag-supportahan sa isa't isa kung bet nyo i-support ang kanyang niche at sa niche ng iba ring mga kapwa Vloggers Philippines. Thank you so much. Walang halong kaek-ekan to guys at sobrang na-appreciate ko lang talaga kayo. At aramdam ko yung support at love nyo. And I love you too. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Sobrang thank you. Sobrang extra special ang aking birthday ngayon. Kumbaga na-overwhelm po ako. So sobrang thank you po. Hindi man ako naghanda. Hindi ko man sinelebrate. Pero parang meron na rin akong bonggang celebration ng birthday. So thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. Yun lang po guys. That's it for today. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for all notifications. Please follow us on our Facebook page, Unboxing and Everything, and our Twitter account, Unboxing. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you again on my next video. Bye! Love ya!